everyone, Savannah here, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can decorate your tablescape for Valentine's Day. And all of my decoration pieces came from the dollar store, so it makes it super affordable to recreate. And I'm going to be showing you how you can make your own heart placemats, as well as some sweetheart candles and a chocolate centerpiece. And so I hope that you guys will recreate some of these decorations for your table, and make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe down below. And without further ado, let's get started. So for this DIY, I'm going to be taking my felt stickers here, and I'm just going to be sticking them on my red placemat. Now my placemat is from IKEA. These are just red cloth placemats. You can probably find them anywhere. And as you can see, my packet here has different variations of different sizes of the hearts, and they all come in colors like pink, white, and red. And so I'm going to be sticking my hearts here. So I have finally finished sticking my little stickers onto my placemat, and I think this looks so cute. And I've done it for all of these here, and I just did different designs. So we have these two are the same here, and then these two are the same. And this craft is super easy, and it really spices up your placemats. And then here I'm going to be taking my felt hearts, and I'm just going to be spreading these out on the table just to give it a nice little touch. So for this DIY, I'm going to be taking my jar here, and I'm going to be painting this black part white. I think it would just look better and cleaner if it was white, since black isn't really a Valentine's Day color. And I'm just going to be painting over this with my chalk paint. So now that my paint has dried, I'm going to be pouring in my candy hearts in my jars. I don't think it will take too much to fill up these little jars, but we will see. So for this next DIY, I'm going to be taking my bag of candy hearts, and I'm just going to be pouring them in these vases that I got from the dollar store. So now that my little vases are filled, I'm going to be taking my little candles, and it did 2 bags per vase. And now I'm going to be taking my candles here and then just placing them inside my vase. Like that looks good. Take my other candle and doing the same thing. So for this DIY, I have my candy bars. I have 2 of these where it says Happy Valentine's Day, and then I have one that also says Happy Valentine's Day, but it looks like this. And I'm going to be taking my candy bars, and then I have my wooden dowels that I also got from the dollar store. And I'm going to be hot gluing them onto my candy. So I got this glass from the dollar store as well, and it's just a tree, and then it has some hearts on it, and then it has a little heart where it says love. And I bought this flower thing where you can stick flowers in, and I cut it into a little square, and I'm going to be placing that inside my jar here so I can stick my candies in. Then I'm going to take my chocolate bars and then just stick them into my foam here. So now I'm going to be taking my paper that I shredded. This was just some pink paper, and I'm going to be filling it into my jar here to cover up the little green foam I have there, and it just adds a nice little touch to it. So I finished doing this, and this is how it turned out. I think it looks so cute, and I love the little shredded paper look to it. So that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!